This traffic is frickin' insane. I think I know a shortcut. That was a fun little shortcut. I love doing it in my truck. Oh shoot, I'm not in the truck. I'm in the Beamer. Oh no, it's so dirty! I'm gonna go inside and get all my stuff.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No sorry.
Nice and clean. Finally, this BMW looks good. Wait a second. Why is it so dirty in here? Who parked their sandwich in my car? I remember.
Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No nostalgia. You're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia. Like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia. Don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia. Like a symphony of our memories. Oh, like a symphony of
I'm glad I have Tony rolling with the camera because I grabbed some tape to actually show the before and after here between, you know, cleaning the seats and using our products. But these seats are so filthy, the tape barely wants to stick. It just sticks in a few spots, and look, unsticking there, barely wants to stick here, and yeah, it's just flying right off. So I'll have to get some stronger tape to show this before and after, or at least clean this line so I can put the tape down. Cleaning this interior with a beautiful interior vibe. You know how she goes. So we'll start off with that before we give it some leather love. Give it the final leather clean. We'll spray everything down, soak it up. That color difference is crazy. Crazy. So we can tell Interior Vibe really does pull its weight, and we can actually go ahead and finish cleaning these seats to see the true end result.
Remember, Parts Avatar has got your back, so don't forget to subscribe to the Parts Avatar channel so you don't miss any of these exciting videos.